What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I am bringing you a review on the new BH Cosmetics holiday collection. I have their Naughty palette and I have their Nice palette. They came out with this a couple weeks ago. I am late to the party getting this uploaded, but still in time for Christmas. They also came out with a brush bundle and I've already used it, so it's empty. Here it is right here. I will show you the brushes when they are all nice and clean, but I wanted to get them tested out with the eye look to share with you guys if they were good or not, if you need to get this collection. These brushes are super soft, super luxurious. I mean, like, they're very, very, very high end. So I will link all these products in the description box, so make sure and check them out. Tested this Naughty palette out. I really want to test this one next. I'm gonna give you a close-up shot of what these palettes look like. Trying to turn my lights down so you can really see the true colors. I decided to make this video a giveaway video. The giveaway will be held on my Instagram. I am giving away one of these Nice palettes, so make sure to go to my page where you can find that post on how to enter. Obviously the Nice palette is small, the Naughty palette is huge, which I kind of feel like that should have been reversed. I feel like the Nice palette, you should have gotten more shadows and the Naughty palette less, but I don't know, that's just me. But this is what I used today. I used the Naughty palette because, I mean, just look at it. Come on. Look at it. You get a variety of different types of shadows in here for $29. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like this type of content. Let's just stop yapping and let's jump right into the review and tutorial of this eye look right here. So let's start this tutorial by checking out this gorgeous palette one more time up close. The pigmentation, the quality, the blendability with these shadows is insane, you guys, like top notch. So I'm going to be using this brush that came in that little kit I showed you before to blend out my concealer. I do this to prime my eyes so the shadows will blend nice and smooth. Then I'm going to take this bone colored shade that was in the palette just to set the concealer, not make it sticky, and the shadows will glide right over. The first shadow we're going in with is the color Muled. Now it comes off really intimidating, like it looks kind of orange, but it all blends together. It just gives off that nice golden bronze look I'm going for. So I will deepen the colors as we keep going. This was just a really good transition shade, I thought. It blended out great. I did dip in the pan twice to get the pigmentation that I wanted, but that's normally what I do with all my shadow palettes. Now this next color we're going in with is Yuletide, and it was crazy pigmented. Like, it kind of scared me at first, but the blendability was amazing. I was able to blend it out just fine. After that, I grabbed some of that first color Muled just to kind of bring back a little bit on the top part of my eye because I wanted it to poke out. I wanted these colors to just kind of slowly ombre themselves into the darker colors. And these brushes are fabulous. I highly recommend the brush set if you are looking for some brushes. So the next shade is in Nutcracker. That is the deep, dark, smoky outer edge that we are going to be doing on our eye. First, I like to map out where I'm going to be placing that because I have literally like no crease. I feel like I have hooded lids, so I have to fake my crease. I have to give myself a bigger lid, as you'll see in just a little bit. So once I map it out, I do start shadowing that in more, building up the pigmentation as you see right there. And then I slowly bring it down into the inner corner. This is going to give you that illusion of a nice built-up crease if you're like me and do not have one. I mean, I guess I have one, but it's just really low. So after I take all those shades, I'm going to get a new brush that came with the kit, nothing on it, and just blend all those out so they melt nice together. There's no harsh lines. And then we're going to make our little triangle to build up that outer corner to make it smoky. It's not super smoky, but it's definitely darker, as you can see right here. Now we're ready for the star of the show, this gorgeous bronze metallic glitter eyeshadow. It performed amazing, even with a concealer brush. I always test them. It went on great for me to shape my lid, but then I always like to go over it with my finger, and this is in the shade Decked Out. So I'm going to put a little on my finger and then apply to the rest of my lid. I do go back in with that concealer brush to build up my lid because they're very hooded. But this color is amazing, you guys. It was like, it looked wet on my eyes. It looked like one of them Stila liquid eyeshadows. That's how intense it was. It was beautiful. I'm not done yet.
I hope not. I always suggest doing the eyes first before the foundation because, you know, you might have some fallout, so that's why my husband thought I looked pretty crazy. But now I'm going in with that beautiful brown glitter chestnuts that was at the bottom of the palette, just to give a little bit more sparkle. Then I picked up more of that dark brown and feathered it back over a little bit where I made the glitter go a little too far on my outer eye. I always use a makeup wipe to clean up my eyes. I wanted a sharp cat eye, so I feathered it up. And now we're ready to complete the eyes after we finished the face. I'm going underneath with one of those brushes I used earlier. The same exact shadows that we started in the same exact order. We started out with that muled color, then we went to that red brick color towards the dark brown color. I did grab a black eye pencil just to darken just the outer portion of my lower lid. I didn't bring it all the way in. I just did not want a super dark under eye. So I feathered that out with the dark brown, or smudged it out, I guess you could say. And then we went in with this metallic brown eyeliner that I got from Morphe. I do not know the name. It will be linked down below, but I just thought that would look really pretty with the top of the eyes and not be dark again, because I don't like my under eye being super dark. Then we just highlight the inner corner with that metallic shade. We highlight the brow bone, and that will be everything for this eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so glad I got this palette, but I loved the brushes. If you need some brushes, go get you these because they're amazing. If you're interested in how I did my face, that video is before this one on my channel. I go through all the steps of how I apply my foundation, concealer, yada yada. Please don't forget to enter that giveaway that's on my Instagram. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video.